Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're having an issue with the stereo mix application on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer, whether it's not working or picking the proper device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. All you have to do is open up the search menu and type in Control Panel. Best result should come back with Control Panel listed right above App. So go ahead and open that up. Select the view by in the top right corner and select large icons. And then you want to select sound from this list. Now you want to right click in a blank area. If there's any disabled devices or disconnected devices, make sure they're both check marked here. So that if there's a missing device, you can go ahead and just right click on that said device. And then you could set it as default. So if there are more than one output device, you could select set default once you've selected perhaps previously disabled device. So definitely something I'd recommend taking a look at there. And you can also go ahead and actually configure the settings as well. And you can go ahead and test it as well as going through properties and then adjusting the audio levels and enhancement settings. And you can select restore defaults as well if you made a mistake or maybe that was part of your problem as well. So you can always restore stuff back to default. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.